Hello guys and welcome back to the new video. Today I'll show you how you can create this video animation in Adobe After Effects. So by the way, I'm recording the voiceover right now, so this animation I already done, but I want you to show how this animation I did exactly and show you the main principles of it. So guys, first of all we need to create the shape layer. This is our rectangle, and also we need to increase the roundness of it. After we have this roundness form, we need to move to the new composition. Here I just want to add the grid and make some changes with it. You can just repeat after me. It will be our background in this composition. So also I'm adding the turbulent displays, changing some size and amount of it, and also I need to make some keyframes from the first second to the last of my composition with the evolution to make this looks like this, as you can see on your screen. So guys, once you've done this part, we need to return to our composition, and here I need to paste the grid, but first of all, as you see, I added the white fill and made the mask of it with the track mate tool, yeah. So then I copied the shape layer number 1, so now it's shape layer number 2, and I removed the fill there and just leave the stroke. Now I'm adding the car, and also quick tip for you, you can use hue and saturation to change the color of your car, as you can see on my image, but you will see a bit later. I will change this car for another one. So here I've added the text and using the deep glow for it. Also guys, if you have not the deep glow effect, you can use just regular one. It's also will be cool, but you will need to do a bit more adjustments with it, yeah. So then I need to create the rectangle one more. So one rectangle will be with the stroke, and you will need to duplicate it to make the rectangle with the fill. And you will remove the stroke, and guys, why we did it, you will now understand. Put your stroke above and the fill and the fill below the stroke. So now we are making the mask for the fill. So I've added the mask feather. Then guys, you will need just to make some keyframes for your properties of any project you do. So guys, there, as you can see, I added the new car. Also, I created the texts with MPG dynamism reliability, so you can put your own properties. Maybe you will not use the cars, maybe you will use something else for that. So guys, it's up to you. I'm just showing you the main principles, yeah. By the way, once you put it your object, for example car or something else, I created the composition from it to add the deep glow. And as you can see, I have two cars, one linked to another one, because as you can see, I'm changing the position and I need it to move together. And why there's two cars? Because the deep glow on the background one. Also here you can see that I'm adding the deep glow for the stroke, making it not too much. Also I've changed some, yeah, I've done some changes with the text, made the color white. And guys, here as you can see, I add in the new car, and now I need to change the position for it. You can see from the first to the second, almost not, yeah, almost to the second, our position changing. So one car changing another one. Here I'm making the adjustments for my keyframes. I use F9 to make it easy ease, and it will move smooth, as you can see on your screens. So then I need to make the same with another car and one more. Also guys, don't forget to add the motion blur for your cars, because motion blur is very cool effect. In this animation I decided that I must use it. By the way, I using it almost all time. So the next, as you can see guys, I decided to make the changings with this mask of fill for each of car. So the main thing you need to understand that when our car changing another one, our properties must be changed. So as one car changed another one, I am making new masks, changing, I mean, the masks fill. So don't ask me why I decided to make reliability of BMW so low. Anyway, it's very good car. So guys, here I'm just copying the previous keyframes. Now I'm just changing a bit position, yeah. So guys, if you don't understand something, just ask me in the comments, I will answer you, or you can also direct message me in Instagram. I will also give you the answers for your questions, because maybe I'm too quick about this composition. So if you have some questions, as I said, you can just ask me. Also guys, if you will need these PNG files with these cars, maybe you want to train with these cars, just ask me also in the comments, and I make the Google file with these cars, so you can just download it and use for yourself. And guys, thank you all who watched this video till the end. Also, I'd like to ask you for your subscribe and likes. Ask me in the comments if you have some questions as well. And guys, you will help me a lot, and I appreciate you so much. Thank you all, and have a good day, and goodbye. See you soon.